VIP Squares is a game developed and adapted during a training course within the Erasmus Plus project, Growing in Insight, Ability of Mobility. VIP Squares is a team-building activity involving disabled and non-disabled participants. The aim of the game is to build a perfect square using a rope. Number of participants between 15 and 40. Materials needed: 1 rope per team, at least 12 meters long, 1 blindfold for each participant, 1 smartphone or photo camera, 25 square meters of outdoor or indoor space without obstacles for each team. Total time needed 40 minutes. 10 minutes preparation, 20 minutes for the game, 10 minutes debriefing. Description: the participants are divided in mixed groups, disabled and non-disabled, or 5-6. Each group will get a rope, blindfolds, and a list of the following instructions. The aim of the game is to build as fast as possible a perfect square using the entire rope. No folding is allowed. At the start of the game, all participants will be blindfolded. During the game, all participants, except the group leader, also blindfolded, have to keep at least one hand on the rope. The group leader can move freely. Each group will have 2 minutes before starting the game to discuss a strategy, to choose a group leader, and to ask for clarification if needed. The ropes remain on the floor. If the group leader considers that the group form a perfect square, he or she needs to go exactly in the middle of the square and call the facilitators, saying loudly, "VIP Square." All the group members, including the group leader, remain blindfolded. The facilitators will take a picture and decide if the square is perfect or needs to be improved. If this is the case, there will be a penalty of 30 seconds, after which the group continues to the work. In case a group finished successfully, they can take down their blindfolds and remain completely silent, observing the work of the other groups. Debriefing: the facilitators will ask open questions like: how was the game? How did you feel? What was your strategy? How did you choose your leader? Why do you think the facilitators choose this game? Is there something you would change if you will play the game again? Thank you and have fun!